I deem it an absolute privilege to be called upon to felicitate the Honorable Chief Justice of India, Shri B.R. Gavai. As the learned Solicitor General said, his story from Nagpur to Delhi and to the highest office of the Chief Justice of India is nothing short of inspirational. Lot of youngsters in the room and watching this program will take inspiration from this, that under our legal system, if hard work is put in, nothing is impossible. That has been proved. And sir, we congratulate you for achieving this unique distinction. I will also be failing in my duty if I don't point out that sitting at the Rashtrapati Bhavan and watching you being sworn in by the First Lady also was very inspirational. Both having risen from the ranks to adorn their respective high offices, I think that picture will be itself inspirational for years to come. Many of you are aware about the humble beginnings, but I want to discuss about his judicial qualities because, like some of you, I have also had the distinction of appearing before the Honorable Chief Justice first as a lawyer and then being his colleague for 2 years, and of which there was a full spell of 6 months where I had the distinction of sitting with him. He has a hands-on approach to matters, and I think that is a great quality. What I found in that process, which was for me a learning process, and I have told him, many of the colleagues who have sat with him have told him, was that irrespective of what the subject was, irrespective of the complexity of the case, he has this knack of getting to the nub of the matter and simplifying it, but not stopping there. Where he really puts pressure on the colleague is, he is a very quick writer. If judgment is reserved and is assigned on a one-to-one basis, within a short span of time, you will get his draft sent to you. With the result, you are also kept on your toes so that you don't lag behind. It is said, it is attributed to famous thinker Socrates. Sometimes we need to recollect it, that there are four great qualities for a judge which are essential: listening patiently, answering wisely, considering soberly, and deciding impartially. Now, you apply each one of these, you will find that the Honorable Chief Justice possesses them in abundance. Many of you have appeared before him. Some of us have appeared and have also sat with him and watched proceedings in his court. Apart from that, there are certain innate qualities which is worth mentioning. He is a fearless judge and he speaks his mind and he makes it very clear. Sometimes sitting next to him, you feel that, when the words get out of his mouth, it gets very spontaneously. And there is no malice, there is nothing beyond what he really means to convey. And I think it has had its telling effect. So much so that the message that he conveyed yesterday was also taken in the right spirit. But I must tell you something about the administrative qualities. And I will at least let go one secret for which I have not taken his permission. As a judge, protocols never affected him. But what we got to see in the 2 days as Chief Justice is something phenomenal. We have this practice in the court among judges that whenever there is a retiring judge, we all assemble at the portico of the judge's entrance to give the judge a send-off. It happens normally at 1:30 on the last day of the sitting, after the ceremonial sitting. The judges come down, the concerned judge also comes down from the chamber. But yesterday, we were all taken by surprise when from the Chief Justice's chamber in the ground floor, he decided to walk up 2 floors to the chamber of Honorable Justice Bela Trivedi. Went right into her chamber. We followed suit, received her in the chamber, and then escorted her right down till the portico, where a guard of honor is given, and the learned judge is seated in the car, and symbolically the car is pushed. I think that was a very touching gesture. And I didn't take the permission of the Chief Justice to reveal this, but I thought you must know because protocols did not matter, it never mattered. But yesterday, a very healthy precedent has been set, and I am sure it will be followed in due course. I want to keep this very short, but as in cricket, so in judiciary, the captain is to command the respect of the dressing room. And as our Chief Justice, he commands it in immense measure. He has the regard of each one of us. They go to him for advice. They look up to him. They learn from him. And he is held in very high regard. I wish you, sir, a very, very successful and satisfying tenure. And I wish you a glorious innings. It has been a spectacular innings at the bar, and from 2003 as a judge, 2019 as a judge of this court, and now that you have assumed the office of Chief Justice of India, you have our good wishes, and as your brother colleague, the fullest support and cooperation. Thank you very much.